Okay, our first major integration technique is substitution. So I will do a couple examples before presenting the, overall, technique. So what do I do here? I look at my complicated integrand and I say, ouch, that power of 7 is too big, you know, I do not want to expand that out. So let's try substitution. So I look at what's called the inside function. So I say this 2x squared plus 1 is inside the um, power of 7 function. And I let u equal that 2x squared plus 1. Okay, so I'm going to go through the technique. It's going to seem like magic. A proof is available upon request. Okay, first thing I do is choose u. Typically it's the inside function, but in more advanced examples, it won't be so obvious. Then I do a derivative, okay? We will use the Leibniz notation. So take a derivative of this guy here. Now I'm going to do something a little bit strange. I'm going to treat this as a fraction and solve for dx. So I get du is 4x dx. Okay, and I want to get dx alone, right? So I get du over 4x equals dx. So let's recap here. First thing I do is choose u. Then I do a derivative. And then here I solve for dx. Okay, so this is my way of doing substitution. For these steps here, for the solving for dx, that is kind of my way of doing it. If you look in the textbook, they do something a little bit different. Okay, so now I'm going to do the actual substitution. Okay, over here, this is u right here. So I'm going to replace 2x squared plus 1 with u, and I'm going to replace dx with, what I found down here. So let's go ahead and do that. So the 4x stays. I get u to the power of 7. And then dx becomes du over 4x. Now, this worked out nicely. I have a nice cancellation there. So if I clean this up, I get u to the 7 du. And I hope you agree that my original integral is much simplified. Okay, so here I can just use the power rule. Okay, I get u to the 8 over 8. Now, here I've done my integral. Um, Next thing I'll do is, well, switch back to my original variable. Okay, the question was given in terms of x, so I should go back to x. So u is equal to 2x squared plus 1. So I got 2x squared plus 1 to the power of 8, all divided by 8, and just a plus c to finish off.